I reviewed my first Swagtron Swagger scooters nearly 4 years ago and was really impressed with the budget product. The new Swagger 5 Boost is an update to the last year's flagship models. Surprisingly, it comes with some important upgrades while the price remains unchanged. Let's find out if this is a good electric scooter for you. My first impression with the Swagger 5 Boost was really good because I love its compact design. As compared to my recent scooters, this one is significantly smaller and lighter. It weighs just about 26 pounds, and now I can effortlessly carry it up or down my narrow stairs with one hand. The design looks more natural as we no longer see a huge battery built into the front stemp. Since the battery is placed underneath the deck, the scooter has lower ground clearance. Therefore, you need to be careful when riding on uneven roads. Otherwise, the bottom could get damaged. Folding and unfolding the scooter is easy with its one-click quick folding mechanism. There is a clip on the handlebar and it will lock into the rear guard when you fold the bike. To unfold the scooters, you just need to press on the clip and lift up the stem. The locks feel very sturdy, so the deck won't fall off easily. The biggest upgrades of the 5 Boost include a powerful 300-watt motors, a large LED display, a larger battery, and puncture-resistant airless honeycomb tires. I really like these tires because they require no maintenance. I just don't know if its performance will last over time. However, the 8.5-inch wheels are a little small and there is no front suspension. Therefore, I can easily feel the whole scooter shake violently on rough roads. A 300-watt motor is quite good for a budget scooter like this. The top speed could reach 16 to 17 miles in my test, and I had no problem climbing some short inclines. According to the manufacturer, the battery could last up to 11 miles on a single charge, but it depends on a lot of factors like pavement quality, incline, rider weight. In my test, the battery range is estimated at around 8 to 9 miles. When I ride it at different speeds, climb up a few low inclines, and my weight is 155 pounds. If you plan to use it for everyday commutes, I highly recommend you to bring the charger with you. The LED display shows the current speed and battery level. There is also an Android and iOS app, but it is unnecessary because you never need it. I appreciate features like the bottle holder and LED lights more because they are much more useful in real life. To conclude, here are all pros and cons of the Swagger 5 Boost. Pros: compact and lightweight design, low price, easy folding and unfolding, powerful motors, puncture-resistant tires. Cons: not suitable for long rides. The Swagtron Swagger 5 Boost is absolutely not the best electric scooter on the market. However, it's very difficult to beat it for the price. It costs just about $269, or you can buy a recertified one for less than $200. If you plan to use it for short distances, less than 8 miles, we at BikeFolded highly recommend the scooters.